Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kirpa classes. Our today's topic is Polynomial Module 1. In this course, the students will understand the meaning of polynomial. They will understand that polynomial is an algebraic expression consisting of variables and coefficients where variable is raised to the power of non-negative integer exponent, that is non-negative power. The students will also understand that the variable means a letter or a alphabet, that is variable can be x, y, z. The students will also understand that the coefficient is a number which is attached with variable, that is in the case of 5x, 5 is the coefficient. In case of 7y, 7 is the coefficient. The students will also understand the meaning of term in the context of polynomial. They will understand that the term is a combination of coefficient and variable. The students will also understand that numerical number alone cannot be a polynomial, because numerical number alone can be constituted only as a constant, whereas in the case of a polynomial the term has to be a combination of coefficient as well as a variable. The students will also understand that the power of the variable in a polynomial cannot be in negative. The power of the variable in a polynomial has to be either 0 or positive whole number, that is it can be anything just as 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The students will also understand that normally the polynomial has one variable, but we will also come across polynomials where there are multiple variables. That is normally the variable may be single, that is x variable, but there are chances that the variable may be more than one, that is the variable may be x, y, z in the single polynomial. The students will also understand that the terms in a polynomial can contain different powers of the same variable. For example, 7x square plus 2x plus y. Next, the students will also understand that the terms of the polynomial are not compulsorily required to be arranged in the descending order of the degree of variable. It is usually done, or it is by convention, that the terms of the polynomial are arranged in the descending order of degree of variable so that we can easily identify the terms with highest variables and with the lowest variables, and we can work with the polynomials if we are to do some work such as addition of polynomials or subtraction of one polynomial from another. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.